on the same platform of the B10, we're proud to present the new Leapmotor 5, which will be commercialized globally under the name of B05. As Mr. Zhu mentioned, the B05 will launch across global market next year. Good morning, everybody. It's an honor and a pleasure to share a global premiere with you for the second time since the start of our international journey. Thanks to the Stellantis strong, powerful distribution network, we're ready to meet our customer demand with timely and a powerful logistic machine already in place.